Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change profile name in Netflix. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing you would do is you would go to Netflix and then go to the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the three bar at the top right. Click on manage profile. Click on the profile that you want to change the name, which is your profile. And then under profile name, you can type on this box and you should be able to change to whatever you want it to be. And once you've done that, you can hit done and then click done again. That should allow you to change the profile name in Netflix. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.